you want to go from this to this, try these high-protein foods for building muscles. Let's kick off with a breakfast staple. Eggs, with 13 grams of protein per 100 grams. Eggs are the complete package for all the good stuff your muscles crave. Packed with almost every amino acid your muscles need, they're like your one-stop shop for muscle repair, growth, and maintenance. Eggs bring a bunch of vitamins and minerals to the table, like B12, iron, and zinc. But here's the cool part. Eggs also have choline, which fights off muscle fatigue during prolonged and extreme workouts. Diving into oceans for our second on the list, tuna, with 28 grams of protein per 100 grams. Tuna provides a complete set of essential amino acids. Tuna contains the necessary protein for muscle growth but is not high in calories, making tuna a great muscle fuel for optimizing growth and repair. And there's more. Tuna is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and high in vitamin A and several B vitamins, including B12, niacin, and B6, which are essential for optimal health, energy, and exercise performance. Budget-friendly option? We got you! Chicken breast is our pick, with 31 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's a cheaper protein option, making it doable for everyone. And get this, not only is it cheaper, but it's also a lean protein powerhouse. Packed with all the amino acids your muscles crave and with less fat, it's perfect if you're keeping things low on the fat front. Chicken breast is also a good source of vitamin B6, B3, and B2, the energy squad that turns your carbs, fats, and proteins into usable energy. Want something creamy? Greek yogurt is the way to go, with 10 grams of protein per 100 grams. Not only it is a perfect high-protein dessert, Greek yogurt is rich in calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for muscle and bone health. And here's the bonus. Lots of Greek yogurts come with probiotics, those friendly bacteria that keep your gut happy and healthy. A happy tummy means better absorption of nutrients, including the stuff your muscles and bones need to stay strong. Looking for a plant-powered protein boost? Try the mighty chickpea, with 19 grams of protein per 100 grams. These little guys are perfect for all you vegetarians and vegans out there. Chickpeas are rich in protein and fiber. They're not just good for your muscles, they're heart heroes too. Packed with fiber and potassium and low in saturated fat, they improve your cardiovascular system, ensuring that your muscles receive a sufficient supply of oxygen. You can make them into a creamy hummus or roast them with your favorite spices, and that's a wrap. Keep in mind that while these foods are your muscles' best friends, don't leave out carbohydrates and fats. You'll want a balanced diet and consistent exercise routine for best results.